Hey, what's up everybody? Elric Ferris here once again on the motherboards.org YouTube channel. Today we've got something really cool to check out with you folks. Today we're going to be looking at the new Asus Gtx 580 DirectCU2 video card featuring the Fermi NVIDIA chipset and all the features that come with NVIDIA products such as 3D Vision, SLI, and 3D Surround. So let's jump in right in and take a look at this card. Right off the bat, when we take a look at the card, we're going to take a look at first the front, and then we're going to take a look at the rear. What you want to take a note of is that the people over at Asus have completely redesigned this card from the ground up. I mean, it's got the NVIDIA technology on the GPU, but beyond that, everything is designed differently. There's different cooling. Right off the bat, the DirectCU2 is direct copper. That has copper heatsinks that are actually inside of this. It's very hard to see, but I'm going to try to hold it up here. There are fins right here, and then inside of the actual card, there are copper things. These little copper are flattened heat sinks which help dissipate the heat away from the card. Actually, it's supposed to be 600% better dissipation. It also features the Super Alloy Power. Super Alloy Power offers better overclocking, superior life in the card, and better power stuff all around. You have also their Asus's voltage tweak. This helps overclock the card. But basically, the card is 11.5 inches long and it's 5 inches high. This is actually bigger than most cards that you see on the market. It also has a 782 megahertz core clock, and it has a 4008 total memory bandwidth of GDDR5 memory with a 384-bit memory interface. The card features resolutions up to 2560 by 1600, and on the rear I/O you get 2 DVI ports, a single HDMI, and a single display port. Basically, those are all the generic features of the card. Anything that you get with any other NVIDIA card that's specialized to NVIDIA, this card has. The differences in this card are all of Asus's special features. Their DirectCU, their Super Alloy Power, their voltage tweak, and all that good stuff. So now we're going to move on and we're going to take a look at the performance of the card. But there's one last thing I actually want to go over is the power. Should have mentioned this earlier, I apologize. But the thing actually takes a total of 375 watts to power the card. It's 150 watts per these 8-pin connectors and then 75 watts for the PCI Express bridge itself. So the total power consumption of 375 watts. So now we're going to move on and we're going to do the performance. This card is a heavy-duty card. The GTX 580 at this moment is the flagship and highest card of the NVIDIA market. And usually the 580 runs pretty hot. But with this new DirectCU copper cooling, the card was running pretty good. I was having temperatures at idle at about 95 to 97 degrees, which is actually about 20 degrees above the ambient temperature of the room. And under full load, I was getting about 108 to 110 under full load. That's pretty good. The card sells on Newegg and others across the internet for about $499, so it's a bit of a pricey card, but it has a lot of great features. 2 of these cards run in their SLI mode will give you amazing power. You'll be spending $1,000, but you will pretty much be untouchable. 2 of these would actually beat even the new 6990 that just came out from A&D. So then, what do you get? You get a GTX 580 that's superior in cooling design and its features than mostly any other card on the market out there. You get a price of about $499. It's available everywhere, and a lot of people who like NVIDIA cards will be very happy with this card. At the end of the day, I give it an editor's choice here at the motherboards.org YouTube channel.